Hello students, today we are going to look at this topic persons and verbs. Many of you are not still having a strong foundation regarding the types of persons. So first let's have a look at the persons. First person is I and we. Okay, you have to be very much clear. I and we belongs to first person. Second person is the person to whom you are talking. That is you. And third person is he, she, they, or any other name about which you are talking. So you should be very well aware that what is first person? First person is regarding us only. Second person is the person to whom you are talking, like you. And third person is any other person for which you are talking about. Like it can be a name or it can be pronouns like he, she, and they. Now we have to look at the types of verbs that are used with these persons. Let's look at the singular forms. In singular form, if we are speaking about ourselves, we can say I write neatly. The verb write has been used without any S or any plural type. It should be I write neatly. Never write I writes neatly. You write neatly. Atul writes. Now suppose we are speaking about plural. We write neatly. You write neatly. They write neatly. That means in plurals we are using the first form of the verb write. We write neatly, you write neatly, they write neatly. If you are writing they writes neatly, we writes neatly, it will be wrong. Just have a look at these forms of the verbs that are being used. Like I write neatly, I is singular and it is using the first form of the verb. You write neatly, again the first form of the verb. We write neatly, you write neatly, they write neatly. That means in plurals, again we are using the third form of the verb. If suppose instead of they write neatly, you are getting Atul and Amit, again you will have to write neatly. Writes is only for singular of third person. But Atul and Amit represent plurals. That means they are more than one person. Okay, now let's look at some of the sentences in which most of the students they make mistake in case of does, do. Let's look at this. We do not go to the park. Make it very clear, you are going to use do. In case of we, even if I write here a singular form, I do not go to the park. So whether it is plural or singular, I am using the present tense of do, the first form of the verb do. Then if I am writing about the second person to whom I am speaking, you do not go to the school or to the park. Again, the same type of verb has been used. They do not go to the park. They is for third person, but they are in plurals. Again, they are using the same type of verb do. But if we are writing about a singular third person, like Amit do not go to the park will be wrong. Does not go to the park is the correct form. Instead of do, we are going to write here does not. Then third person, we are going to use here does. And that too when it is in singular. When it is in plural, again it will use the singular form of the verb do. So Amit does not go to the park. If we are going to write here, Amit and Samir do not go to the park. That is, Amit and Samir are just like they. So Amit and Samir do not go to the park. We take the first form of the verb do. So you have to be very, very clear with this. We do not go to the park. I do not go to the park. Never write does. Does is only for third person. You do not go to the park. That means in first and second person, the verb is used in singular form, and that is the first form of the verb. Right? They do not go to the park. Amit does not go to the park. Amit and Samir do not go to the park. Amit and Samir are just like speaking about they. And if we are speaking about the third person in singular form, use here does. Right? So you have to be very clear with these types. We'll discuss one more part of it. In case of past tense, the verb will remain same for all, whether it is singular or plural. Like I did not eat the fruit, did. You did not eat the fruit. We did not eat the fruit. They did not eat the fruit. We did not eat the fruit. And never try to change the pronouns or the nouns that are given. Like instead of they, if I'm saying Sarah and Sushma, do not make it they. They are the names of two children, like Sarah and Sushma did not eat the fruit. And do not get confused if you are getting the names in your sentences. If names are given, it means they are the plural forms. They. Sarah and Sushma did not eat the fruit. And if it is given like you and Gaurav, you use what? This is the second person. Gaurav is the third person. You and Gaurav did not eat the fruit. And make it very clear, with did, you have to use the present tense of the word. You will not write did not ate the fruit. That is wrong. Ate is never used with did, because did itself represents past tense. So did will always require a present tense of the verb. Like if suppose I am saying I did not wrote the letter is wrong. I did not write the letter. That means we are going to use a present tense. You did not write the letter. Do not write here wrote the letter. Most of the students make a mistake with did. They use the past tense of the verb. Did itself is past tense. But did always requires what? A present tense of the verb. You did not write. We did not write the letter. Sarah and Sushma did not write the letter. We did not write the letter. You and Gaurav did not write the letter. So be careful about all these things. So in this video, we had seen some of the important things. First person is I and we, related to us only. And if it is like second person, we are speaking to the person in front of us. So we'll say you. Third person is any name, like Atul, Sushma, Sarah, Amit, any names that you require, or he, she, they. They are third persons. And always remember, if you are writing a singular form of the verbs, like if I say about myself, I do not go to the school, we do not go to the school. In first person, you are going to use only the first form of the verb do. But if you are speaking about the third person, he does not go to the school. That is the first form of the verb itself, but only for the third person. So he does not go to the school. And if it is a plural form of the third person, they do not go to the school. They may, it can be like two names also. We can say Ajay and Sanjay do not go to the school. In that, you are not going to use does. So be careful about all these verbs. Hope you have understood all the concepts. And if you have understood it, press the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.